Hey, CP Algebra 1 Stirp here. So this is writing linear functions number 3. We skipped number 2, okay? We skipped number 2. All right, so we know the slope equation is this. And the first thing you should do before you do this is label your points. x1, y1, x2, y2. Label your points when they give you some points, okay? All right, so we talked about this a little bit last time, but we had the point slope formula, which is y minus y1 equals m, that's slope, x minus x1. And so if we were given 2 points, first thing we would do is label them x1, y1, x2, y2. Find the slope, which is this equation. So we get a slope of 8 minus 10, and x2 is negative 2 minus 3. So that's going to give me negative 2 over negative 5. Negative over negative is positive, right? So that is the slope. Then, because I have x1, y1 already labeled, I'm going to plug those into this equation, and I'm going to plug my slope into that as well. So I'm going to get y minus 10 equals 2/5 x minus 3. And there's my linear equation. It's left in point slope form, which is totally fine. So what should you do if you had something that looked like this? Let's change that. Let's change that to 4. Negative 4. All right, so we have to realize this is the point negative 3 comma 6, and this is the point 0, negative 4. Well, 0, negative 4, this is the y-intercept. Okay, so my b value is the y value. So I'm going to use my point slope equation. Now, I'm already using this point, so I'm going to use this other point as my x1, y1. Okay, use the opposite point. So you know, y minus 6 is equal to slope, we said was, slope we don't have yet. So we're going to find slope here in a second. X minus 3, which is plus 3. All right, so if we label that top one x1, y1, then we'll label this one x2, y2. So let's find our slope equation. So y2 we have is negative 4, y1 we have is 6, x2 we have is 0, minus 3. So that's going to give me negative 10 on top over 3 on bottom because that becomes positive. So now I get a slope of that. So now I can plug that into my equation, leaving the numbers I've already plugged in. There's my linear equation. Okay, so that's all I have for you all today. Have a great day, everyone. Take care of one another.